Hush. Next one is wife. Okay, wife. Wife. That is his wife. Onun ayali. Okay, wife degan ayali. Yo'ldoshi deganda husband degan gap. For example, my wife is cooking now. Mening ayolim nima qilyapti? Tamoq yetyapti. Okay, my wife is cooking now. Okay. And the Tom is walking with his wife. Okay. And the Tom degan Tom bo'lsa nima qilyapti? Ayoli bilan menyapti. Walking with his wife. O ayoli bilan qanday qilyapti? Menyapti. Okay, do you love your wife? Shunaqa. Okay, hamda bu siz ayolingizni yaxshi ko'ramsiz degan gap. Yes, I do. Deyishim mumkin. Qaysi bir Shinjan gazetimi, bir gazetda shu ma yezida menda siz Wi-Fi taqtildi deb yozmoqchi ekan ko'nglimda. Lekin gazetga nima deb yozib qo'yapti desam, siz Wi-Fi taqtildi deb yozib qo'yapti. Hamda bu Wi-Fi bilan hamda Wi-Fi-niki birlam harf o'qishmaydi, shunami? Agar mush keyindagi i harfini ayga o'zgartirib yozsam, nima bo'ldi? Wi-Fi bo'ldi, shunami? Simsiz to'r, shunami? Bu shay mana shu. Wi-Fi demakchi haqsiz Wi-Fi taqilish amalga oshdi deb yozgan odam Wi-Fi taqilish amalga oshdi deb gizlik chiqaribdi, yomon. Nima desam, satchilikda hamda shu bir tilni bilmaslikni texa. Muhim nima desam, shu nayte astaydillik emas, nayte ko'ngil qo'ymaylar chiqarib qo'ygan. Chunki agar Wi-Fi deb kichik yozsangiz, sağolashlar, avtomatik holda imlasini tuzatguncha, ingliz imlasini tuzatganda Wi-Fi o'zgartirib turadi. Bu nayte normal ish uchun. Cho'g'im Wi-Fi degandan keyin W cho'ng yozildi, I kichik yozildi, F cho'ng yozildi, I kichik yozildi. Cho'ng Wi-Fi deb o'qiymiz. Cho'ng ma'noga kelganda qanday resola, nayte bir kulkulik bo'lib qoldi, bir gizitmamda. Okay, next one is along. Okay, along. Okay, along deganimiz bo'ylab. Okay, masalan, along the banks of the river, along the street degan gap. Masalan, walk along the street. Demak, ma ko'chani bo'ylab mangmoq degan gap. Demak, walk along the street. What about this? Another one. This one is a walk along the banks of the river. Run along the wall. Okay. Tamni bo'ylab menish. Daryani bo'ylab menish, walk along the banks of the river. Daryo bo'yini bo'ylab menish. Masalan, she's walking along the beach. Okay. Beach deganimiz dengiz qirg'oqqa degan gap. Walking along the beach. Dengiz qirg'oqini bo'ylab qanday qildi? Mangdi. People are walking along the street. Mush kishilar nima ko'chani bo'ylab qanday qilyapti? Menyapti. People are walking along the street. Walking along the street. Nice. Okay, next one is cat is running along the wall. Hamda bu yerga mushuk qanday qilyapti? Mushu tamni bo'ylab qanday qilyapti? Menyapti. Demak, the cat is running along the wall. Okay. Next one is bank. Bank deganimiz jiqib ko'rsa bank, masalan, Bank of China, Jungo Bank serab degan gapmi? Endi bu yerga bank deganimiz nima desanmi? Qishi, qirg'oqqa degan gap. Masalan, the banks of the river. Nima uchun banks deymiz? Qirg'oqlar deymiz, chunki daryoning ishki qirg'og'i bor. Xuddi adamning ishki puti, ishki oyig'i bo'lgandek-ku, daryoning ishki qirg'og'i bor, shunami? The banks of the river. The banks of the river. Okay? So, is he walking along the bank? And daryo bo'yini bo'ylab menyapti. So where is she sitting? Okay, and u narrow o'tiradi. Where is she sitting? Okay, where is she sitting? U narrow o'tiradi, shunami? Okay, she is sitting at the bank of the river. And u mushu nara daryoning qirg'og'ida qanday qilyapti? O'tiradi. She is sitting at the bank of the river. Okay, next one is water. Okay, water. Xo'sh, endi water deganimiz nima? Water deganimiz suv degan gap, shunami? Bu sanig'ini bo'lmaydi. Drop of water, endi ana tokkini bir narsa yo'tib, shunami? Bir tomchi suv, bir tomchi suvni drop of water. And the mineral water. endi men yerga mineral deganimiz nima desam, mineral shundami? Mineral suv. Biz quang chuan shui deb qo'yamiz-ku. Shu mineral water deymiz. Okay, endi azroq suv ichmak bo'lsa, drink some water. Drink some water. Drink some water. Okay, they are drinking mineral water, right? They are drinking mineral water. And ular mineral suv ichib Shunami? Okay, and what about this? And waterning ikkinchi bir xil ma'nosi sug'amoq, suv bermak degan gap. Masalan, water the flowers, gullarni sug'urish, shunami? Masalan, he is watering the flowers in the garden. Okay, and u odam qanday qilibdi? Gullikdagi gullarni qanday qilibdi? Sug'urib o'tibdi. Watering, qilib suv ichib, shunami? Okay, next one, swim. Okay, keyingi so'zning bo'ldi. Swim. Swim deganimiz so'zmak rasmni ko'rib turibdi, shunami? And the go swimming bo'lsa so'zishga berish degan gap. Swimming pool. So'zish bo'lganda nari so'zimiz bo'lar? Of course, in swimming pool. Okay. And men so'zishga amroq deymiz-ku. I like to swim deymiz. Yoki I like swimming. Okay. I like swimming. Men nimaga amroq? So'zishga amroq degan gap. Okay, amraq. Masalan, they are swimming across the pool. Okay, they are swimming across the pool. And that was dengiz yaq. Shu suv ko'lchigini kesib qana qiladi, uzib o'tadi. Ya'ni across deganimiz nima dersanglar? Kesib o'tmak. Endi uning so'zishidan xushi yo'q deganicha. He doesn't like swimming. Okay, I like swimming. Men amraq. Demak, odatdan tushunami? He doesn't like swimming bo'lsa, uningki nimasi yo'q, xushi yo'q. He doesn't like swimming. Xo'sh, hamda I like swimming across keldiqmi? Keyingisi across. Ammo talaffuz qilganda oldin nima? Okay. Across. Yaxshi, across. Xo'sh, hamda men yerga across deganimiz nima bo'ldi desanglar? Kesib o'tmak. Okay, they want to walk across the road. Okay, and the bulan nima qilibdi? They want to, and the bulan mana qiyqis ekan, nima qiyqis ekan? Walk across the road. Bu yo'lni kesib o'tkisi ekan. Okay. Majo Simon is swimming across the pool. And Simon mushu suqilch can kesib o'tibdi, shunami? Simon is swimming across the pool. Okay, swimming across the pool. Xo'sh, keyingisi nima? Over. Okay, over. Xo'sh, over deganimiz nima desanglar? Walk over the bridge. Walk over the bridge. Walk over the bridge. And that mushu ko'rikning ustidan qanday qilmoq? O'tmak. Walk qilmoq, shunami? And then fly over the mountain. Nima? Tağının ustidan olib qanday desanglar, uchmoq. Endi men yerga over bilan onning nim farqi desanglar, on degan bolalar birsi birsining ustida ma PPTni kontrol qilishmi? Masalan, on my hand. Ustida, shunami? And over bo'lsa desanglar, menda haba farq bor, shunami? Mana nima desanglar over. Demak, ustida uyg'urcha tarjima qilsak, ham ustida deb chiqarib, ammo on deganimiz ham shu ustiga to'g'an. Okay, walking over the bridge. Hamda ko'rikning ustidan o'tmak, shunami? And fly over the mountain again. Okay. So the boy is jumping over the chair, and the bola o'rindiqning usti tarafidan qanday qildi? Sekridi. Jumping over the chair. Okay, jumping over the chair. Okay, xo'sh, keyingisi nima desanglar? Building. Ajiq bola men talaffuz qilgan xato talaffuz qildi. Building deydi. Building emas, kechiring. It's building. Jumla building. Ada bangla? Building. Okay, what does the building mean? Okay, building. Qaranglar, mana mening animated mother school, Xinjiang University's South Campus, the classroom building. Mana nima desanglar, o'qitish binosi. Bizningki Xinjiang Universiteti, Janubiy maktab rayoniniki nima desanglar, asosli bino. Shunami main building. It's called main building. It's also the classroom building. Tushunami? And the office building bo'lsa-chi, xizmat demak ishxona binosi. Building a house, build a house. And the peel bo'lganda build debchi. Bir uyni qurmoq. Tushunami? Build a house. Okay, build a house. Okay. That is our new classroom building. Okay. Qarang, bizniki Janub o'qitish rayonidagi yangi nimasi? O'qitish binosi. Okay. Jiqli teaching building deydigan, teaching building emas ham deydi. Nima o'lchamda shakli? Classroom building. Okay. Bino albatta bizga o'tmaydi-da hamda. Shuni bir narsa kutib qo'ymaydi. O'qitish o'tadi-ku unda. Shunga ham o'lchamdagi classroom building. Classroom building. Classroom building. So there are many toilets in the building. Okay, and bu binoda nurg'un nimalar bor ekan? Toilets. Okay, nurg'un o'birnilar, tushunami? Nurg'un o'birnilar qanda bor. Workers are building a house here. And bu ishchilar bu yerda nima ish qilyapti? Yangi uylarni quryapti. All right, keyingisi nima? Park. Park deganimiz bog'cha degan gap bo'ladi. A garden deganda gullikda bo'lgan gapmi? Endi bu park deganimiz nima? Bog'cha. For example, go to park, bog'chaga bormoqchiman. Go to park. Go to park. Okay. For example, I run in the park every morning. Okay. I run in the park every morning. Men har kuni bog'chada qanday qilaman? Yugurayman. I run in the park every morning. I run in the park every morning. There is a beautiful park in the city center. And that shahar merkezida bir intayin nima chiroyli bir nima bog'cha bor. Okay, there is a very beautiful park in the city center. Qashqarda shu, ha? Qashqarda shahar merkezida city center, there is a beautiful park. And the parkning yon bir ma'nosi ma'rifatlanib vallah, mashina to'xtatmoqni shu park deymiz-ku, parking. And no parking bo'lsa, mashina to'xtatish ma'ni qilindi degan gap. No parking. And the no parking area degan mashina to'xtatish bo'lmaydigan rayon, doira degan gap. Parking area bo'lsa mashina to'xtatish maydoni shunami? No parking area bo'lsa mashina to'xtatish bo'lmaydi degan gap. Xo'sh, birinchi retsin nima ish qilyapti vallah? Into, go into, kelma come into. Demak, bir yana ichi qanday qilmoq? Kirmak. They are going into the building. And the go out of, ning sirtima, out degan sirti degan gap shundan billah. And the go out of bo'lsa, ma'lum narsaning sirti qanday qilmoq, chiqmoq. Come into the building, come out of the building. Go into the building, go out of the building. O'xshash, birisi chiqmoq, birisi qanday kirmak. For example, the students are going into the building. Okay, o'quvchilar hozir na kirib ketib turibdi, binoning ichiga kirib ketib turibdi. The students are going into the building. What about the next? They are coming out of the building. Endi ular binodan sirtqa qanday qilib o'tibdi? Chiqib o'tibdi. They are coming out of the building. Endi ular binodan sirtqa qanday qilib o'tibdi? Chiqib o'tibdi.